Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 9th to 15th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Pisces, so keep whatever resonates. This reading is about what opportunities could present itself, in your terms of your career, business or money situation from this in this week, and also what challenges or obstacles you could face, during this week. So that you can handle them wisely if you are aware of it. So let's see Pisces, this is based on your sun sign and your moon sign, so check the other video as well. So let's see Pisces general energies for work, career, business, money. Angels and guides, spirits and guides, please help Pisces general energies for career, business and money situation. Pisces general energies for career, business and money situation. Pisces. Last shuffle, sorry. This card popped out, so I'll take this one. So let's start. Nine of Cups with the Two of Cups. So definitely I see, yes, there could be. This is definitely some news, a step up position for some of you, a promotion, raise in salary, or it could be perks coming to you, or an offer coming to you, or a partnership, a deal coming to you, which is profitable. Somebody offering you this because this is an offer. That's what someone offering you this in your company, your boss, your partners, and that will make you really happy, fulfilling. This is a wish fulfillment for you. Like this is also a card of wish fulfillment. So you're really happy, and it shows that you will celebrate this by going out with your family, friends, having party, dinner, drinking for some of you here. So yes, definitely some rewards coming to you here for the hard work that you put in, for the lot of, that's what I get here. You will definitely, you are being recognized for the work, that hard work you put in, and you are being given some acknowledgement. That's what it could here. So really you are happy with this news. It's something that maybe you have been waiting for and you finally get it. So Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment card. That's what I get here. Four of Cups with the Nine of Pentacles. So some of you are actually might be feeling bored or disappointed of life. This is what I get for some of you here. Yeah, so it's about being some of you at different point of time in the week. I feel in the midweek around, you might just feel bored of doing the same old work again and again. So same routine work, managing money, investments, and working hard and all that. So bored, so you might spend money on yourself, with your friends, go out. Then that's all. This is also what I get here with this Nine of Pentacles. Enjoy whatever you have earned a lot and you have saved for yourself, so you will be using this money, or taking your time out because you want to get out of this boredom here, a disappointment, some that you might be having something from your past weeks, or a lot of work, or it just could be simply boring, like not feeling that high energy, that rush to. Sometimes you're just fed up of doing the same old thing again and again. So taking your time out and partying with friends, get together, is using your money, that your hard-earned money, for luxury, for luxurious purchases, or for outings. That's what I get here. But you will still continue working, because you get this Nine of Pentacles. Maybe a day you're gonna feel like this week, and then next day you are back to doing the same hard work, same because there is no substitute for hard work. So you will get back to the grinding again. Yeah, that's what I feel here. Then there is a Judgment card and Three of Wands. So it seems that you're waiting for a decision. There is a waiting, this Three of Wands. First you get a Judgment card. So it's a card of inner calling, it's about a card of awakening, it's a card of making a decision now. That has already, you know that you will make a decision, it's just that you need to announce, and that's what, or a true calling, or so I'll tell you, it will resonate differently. Some of you will be taking a decision which you have already made up in your mind regarding your personal situation or professional situation, in which you could forgive someone, and move, they could come back in your life. It could be your ex-boss, ex-partner, or someone in your personal space also, your spouse, or partner. So giving, that is one for some of you here. For some of you, it might just be a true inner calling coming to you, an awakening and enlightenment. That's what I call here, the purpose of your life. Why do you want to work? What is that you want from life? So that kind of a calling also will come, and you will start working towards it. You will make up your mind and start working towards it. That's what I get here. So true calling, inner awakening coming for some of you here. Maybe towards spiritual growth, or towards the way you want to change things. This is also a card of second chances, as I told. So some of you might be getting an offer of job which either you rejected it before, or they rejected it. So you might get a project, a deal that you rejected it before, or you did not get it. So it will resonate different. Something from the past could come back for a second chance here. Three of Wands. So there is waiting. Some of you are waiting for the cards, for your ships to arrive. Like you have done your work, this person is waiting for his ships to arrive with goodies, because he has worked hard on that. So you finished your work, hard work. So maybe you are waiting, a yes from the other side, from your partner with whom you want to work, or the company wherein you have actually gone for several rounds of interviews, and final outcome you're just waiting for that. Whatever resonates. So something in which you have completed your portion of the work, and the final yes or no, you are waiting for that. But I tell you, or it could be a negotiation, it could be negotiations, that's what or dealings that you do. You are in a position of strength, you have worked hard and worked well for this, and it will come in your favor. That's what. But right now, this week, you are waiting for that. So this is what I get here. There is 9 of Pentacle cards. So definitely you are working on real estate, buying, selling of immovable shares and bonds, farming, shares, investing in share market or farming. That's what I get here. From farming, organic farming, money coming to, for some of you here, rental, leases, contracts that you do here, brokerage houses, getting good profits here. This is what money wise I feel that this is a good, your financial condition is stable, and there is also at home, there is a sense of hope, happiness. It's not that your home and professional life is very balanced here. You will be spending good time with your family people also, because 2 of Cups, 9 of Cups, with your elders, with your spouse, you will be spending time, and it will be good environment at home too. So both your personal and professional life seems to be good, and there is progress, and there is forward movement at work. That's what I get here. So Pisces, let me just pull out an angel guidance card for you. What are the angel messages for Pisces? For this week, angel messages for Pisces for this week. Legends. So learn from those who inspire you. So this is a beautiful card. You can have a look at it here. So this is it, Pisces. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Sorry.